Coming to 2 to go.
That outside line with a lot of help behind him.
What I've seen here, all this shuffling and moving around.
Oh, man.
Experience is leading again, right? The guys that are up front a lot of times is now back up there.
High-speed chess match. See the sparks fly off of Lane Riggs. Got too far down.
Well, mention that 10 seconds after it happened.
Lane Riggs needed. He needed that. He needed a truck that was fast enough. Even though Ben Rhodes has damage, I think it's better than the 38 truck. You see that 38 truck just cannot hang with the back bumper of that 34.
Yeah, look at the alliances here. Yeah, Parker Kligerman is a Chevy. He's by himself. He's got 2 Toyotas behind him in that lane. I'm not feeling too good if I'm Parker.
You see the 17 truck shoot through the middle.
99's loose.
99 of Ben Rhodes is the leader there in the bottom. Was moving around so much into turn 3.
White flag in the air. 1 lap to go at Daytona.
White flag is in the air. 1 lap to go from Daytona. That third lane, a lot of energy on the outside.
Yeah, and this is now going to become a pushing.
They're about to wreck shit.
Up the racetrack. He's got that outside lane behind him, and he thought that lane was going to have the momentum with Johnny Sauter behind him. And
here comes the run for Johnny Sauter. If he could hang on to his stride.
He's got his teammates behind him.
Oh, there they go. It's the 99.
Ben Rhodes goes around. Sauter goes around. Parker Kligerman out front.
Plum on Parker.
Behind him, they're wrecking behind
The 34. They're wrecking even more. Caution's out. Yeah. Parker fucking Kligerman. We fucking won. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah.
See the caution. Yellow flag with the checker.
Let's fucking go.
Unofficially, Parker Kligerman was the leader at the time of caution.
Norm Benning P15. Let's fucking go.
We had a very similar situation last night in the duels with that caution right at the end.
And boy, things were just going crazy on the back straightaway there. There's so many runs happening, but the pushes were not clean. Right? The runs that I thought were going to happen on the top, the trucks got wiggling and things like that, and that's what, caused the wreck ultimately, and then another one and another one.
It's official. Parker Kligerman.
Yeah!
His first win since Mid-Ohio in July of 2022.
Let's fucking go! Hell yeah!
And we saw the controversy that he had with a race that could have gone his way at the Roval last year in the Xfinity Series, and now you see it all finally go his way. Parker's done a great job putting himself in position to.
Yeah!
Tonight. He has won in Daytona. What a race! Those guys.
Yeah! Bring it down, Parker! Hell yeah, PK!
Keeping those trucks rolling, and everybody in the field did a great job. I know they crashed at the end, but
yeah!
the carnage was lower tonight than normal.
And didn't look like it was easy to drive, whether they're getting pushed or just driving by themselves off the turn 4. So,
Henderson Motorsports, 3rd career win. Charlie Henderson, of course, thinking about him. Team owner, under the weather. God, this has got to bring a smile to his face.
Yeah, and this team has been in and out of the truck series for several years. You see Food Country on the side of this truck has been a big supporter of the program for a long time. Parker's going to be excited.
Woo!
Machine Spike Coolers on board with him. Part-timer did a great job tonight.
Yeah! You are the man, PK! That's what I'm talking about!
It's the coolest place you can.
That's what I'm talking about!
And the fact that really, you know what you're doing. You bring a solid truck, big team, small team, it doesn't matter. This small team just won the Craftsman Truck Series race at Daytona.
That's what I'm talking about, yeah!
All around. Lane Riggs frustrated. One of the trucks that wrecked there on the last lap. There were a lot of them.
Yeah, and those guys did a great job all night. Lane and Chandler Smith did a great job. Gio You see all those really young guys that are gonna have a long career and everything that's happening. See them shake hands right there, and that's the tough part about this. You can have a great night and just not get to the finish line and wind up finishing 18th like Lane Riggs did.